Alright, I'm going to be working on the horse today, and I'm going to be starting on his front legs. I've got several videos on horses, on how to make a horse, and I also show how I make my hooves. It's a little hack that I came up with years ago, and it works really well. You have to try to get them both the same. And if you subscribe, or not subscribe, but if you want to know how to do that, or how I do it, I have a link below this video that shows you a review of each of my 9 instructional videos on sculpting. And the horse videos are in there. These legs got banged up pretty bad over the last few weeks, and now I got to re-establish the legs, and it ain't gonna be easy. Now, even though you have a fairly good representation of a horse's skeleton from TruForm armatures, you still have to sculpt the joints, and you have to know a little bit about what you're doing. Light is not that good underneath the horse, and I'm sorry if it doesn't show up well what I'm doing. Yeah, I figure it's going to take me probably 2 days per leg. It just takes so much because it's a bigger horse, so you have to have more detail, and it's got to be a little more accurate than even a small horse. And it's going to take adjusting and trying to get it just right. Now, he's not straining his legs, so his muscles won't be as pronounced as if he were running and the legs were straining. He's more relaxed. But you still see the muscles. So next time I'll be working on the inside, or this side of the leg, on the other side. That's got to have as much detail as the outside leg has. I'm going to have to do it for now, and this week. I think it came out pretty good. I'll come back and look at it on Monday and see how I like it. I'm going to have to remove him to work on this rear leg, and I've got to figure out how I'm going to do that and get me a board for him to mount him on while I'm working on the horse. I've decided to go ahead and take the mountain man off the bait. I hope this works like I planned it to. I guess we'll find out. Okay, now I gotta pry this off of this vase. First I gotta unscrew him from the base. There's never a guarantee this is ever going to work. There we go. I got him. Fantastic. having him off the base is going to make it a lot easier to work on the horse's legs. And I'm glad that came up so easily. Well, it took some effort, but it was worth planning ahead to make sure it all would work. All right, that's going to be it for this week. And I'll see you guys next week. Good night, and have a great weekend. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.